We're out here rescuing Rainbocorns. We're still working on our slogan. What can I do for you, Daxel? Oh my! You have the hiccups!
What brings you in today? Whoa! The hiccups! These can be very difficult to fix. I have a few ideas. First, let's try holding our breath. Great. Now count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Whoa! These aren't just regular hiccups, they're atomic hiccups, which are worse. Much worse. Not sure if that was clear.
Thank you for calling Rainbocorn. Rescue? Oh no! I've got hiccups too!
Contagious atomic hiccups! Okay, I have something else we can try.
We're desperate! We'll try anything!
I'm gonna scare you.
Aww. It's no use. You're just too cute to be scary.
Let me try one more time. Think scary thoughts. Glittering cupcake shortages. Stolen rainbows. Puppycorns who don't want to play. I think it worked!
Please don't ever do that again.
Another patient cured by Dr. Nala.
Uh-oh. Climb up Mount Rainbow Sparkle was so fun! What should we do next?
I can't feel my everything.
Oh, I know! A hula hoop contest!
Hey, isn't that a new egg? Make sure this new Rainbocorn takes a nap after hatching. All Rainbocorns need naps or they'll get crabby. Love, Nala. And nap sounds really great.
Naps? Bah! There's too many other fun things to do. Oh, a baby kitty corn! Welcome to the world, little one! What should we do first?
Missy, Nala says we should get the new kitty corn to nap. So let's get to napping.
Posh, does she look like she needs a nap?
Yes, she does. First step to napping is a perfectly fluffy pillow. Ugh, that's not helping.
Okay, Posh, how about this? Ta-da!
Step 2 is having the comfiest blanket to cuddle with.
There! Now she's all cozy. Bubbles?
Oh, sparkly fiddlesticks! Where'd she go? Aw, she's all tuckered out.
Let's help her get snuggly. Ooh, maybe napping isn't so bad after all.
Sparkly fiddlesticks. Now I can't sleep.
Rainbow TV! I'll be helping you set up for the cooking segment. Thanks for having us, Missy. Posh, can you make sure we have everything for the cake in the back?
You got it, boss. It's all here. Vegetable oil, flour and sugar, cherries, and a puppycorn egg.
A puppycorn egg?
Aw, she's so cute.
And so hungry.
Oh no! Save the ingredients!
No, save me! Whew. Thanks, Missy. That was a close one.
What should we do with her?
Whatever you do, do it quick. You're on in 5.
How are we going to make this Puppycorn happy and get all this stuff into the studio in time?
I've got an idea! Okay, the ingredients are inside.
How did you know that would work?
I had a feeling this Puppycorn was helpful and hungry. I might have also promised her the cake when we were done.
Are you ready? You're on! You're on in 3, 2, 1.
Welcome back to Rainbow TV. We're here to bake our famous chewy cherry cake.
First, you pour your flour and sugar into a bowl.
Oh. I told you she was helpful.
And still hungry.
Hey, a promise is a promise.
Hey, Posh! Welcome to Rainbocorn Rescue. Once these puppycorns hatch, it'll be grand opening time.
I'm so excited! Oh, I better get the welcome banner. Uh-oh, I think the door locked behind me.
DJ, did you hear something?
I sure did! It's the sound of a new Puppycorn hatching!
Our first patient! So exciting! Oh, where's Posh? She would hate to miss this.
Oh, she's always up to something. What a cute bean!
And strong.
Oh, thanks, Doc.
That's what I'm here for. Now, let's record her height and weight. No, not that way. Now let's get your measurements.
So Beanie doesn't escape again.
Can anybody hear me? Am I in a thought bubble? Hello?
Great, 24 inches tall.
Come on! We have to catch her before she gets into any trouble! Well, any more trouble.
Oh, it's a door, DJ.
Beanie! We've got you now!
Don't worry, I'll grab the leash.
Help! I'm trapped in a closet and a thought bubble. I'm double trapped.
Posh? What happened to you?
I was locked in, but this Puppycorn rescued me. My hero.
Wow! Beanie must have super strength and super hearing.
Corn Rescue Grand Opening! Are the Puppycorns ready to hatch? Where are the Puppycorns?
We lost them.
Yeah, they're missing. Well, except Beanie. She's super strong. We've got to find the other ones before our grand opening guests start showing up in any minute. What do we do?
We can do this. Missy, you and DJ put the banner up and decorate for the grand opening. Posh, Beanie, and I find the Puppycorns.
Beanie, a little of that super strength?
Sparkly fiddlesticks. I don't think they're here.
Beanie, what did you hear?
Let's go!
Thanks, Puppycorns. Puppycorns?
We found the...
Puppycorns. We did too.
We need a plan.
You go that way, we'll go this way.
Now where are they?
How are we going to get them down?
Everyone, get ready.
Now ready for the grand opening of the Rainbocorn Rescue! Hatching Exania eggs! Perfect timing! Wait! Shouldn't they be sparkly?
When Exania corns arrive in town, they might look a little bit down. But if you find a talent and a mini egg around, their sparkle will be found.
Wow! They need to find a talent and an egg! We should help them find their Rainbocorn sparkle by putting on a Exania Mania talent show!
But the eggs! We need the mini eggs to find their sparkle too!
Rory, your talent is singing. I can feel it! Oh? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah! Oh, we've got a lot of work to do. Oh? Nala, where were you? We could have really used your help.
Looking for the mini eggs.
The mini egg will give you exactly what you need to sparkle. Sparkle-tastic! Now you're ready for the talent show! OMG! Whoa, I knew it! They all found their own special Exania talent. And look, they're getting their sparkle!
Help all the new Rainbocorns get some rest.
No problem, Nala. It's almost ready. Just need to feel out the acoustics of the room to finish it.
Aren't you all so cute? DJ, could you please watch the Rainbocorns? DJ? DJ? DJ! Please watch them while I'm gone.
Okay, DJ. Get in the zone. Time to create the perfect lullaby mix. Oh no! I need the most rainbow-tastic beat ever. Something that makes you want to party and fall asleep at the same time. Oh no! I am just now realizing I was supposed to be watching the Rainbocorns. Okay, back to work. Think, DJ, think! Daffy, you're gonna break my turntable! Rory, that's so beautiful! But can you please sing in the same note as the song? Hey, Peanut, what are you doing? Whoa, not bad! Spin that record, Daffy! Rory, go higher! Faster, Peanut! Yo! Rainbocorns got rhythm!
What is going on here?
I finished my lullaby mix!
What good is a lullaby if it makes them more awake?
They'll fall asleep eventually.
They have to hatch, no matter how cool the tunes are.
My name is DJ. I am a DJ. I was hatched for this moment. Oh.
We're so honored to welcome our soon-to-be fuzzy friends to Rainbowville. Let's break them out of their shells.
Ha!
That's my cue. Here we go!
I think it's making them too sleepy to hatch. Can you play something a little more upbeat?
Aha!
Alrighty now. Let's see if a little country will wake those bunnycorns from their slumber.
Left, 1, 2. Right, 1, 2.
Oh know, DJ. The bunnycorns don't know their left from right yet.
Okay, I have the perfect song.
This song seems to be casting a spell. Great job, DJ. Bugsy just popped out of her shell.
I know you can do this, DJ. And she's back in it. We've got to make them stop.
But they don't like classical, country, rock, or pop.
Hey, did that just rhyme? That gives me an idea. What about hip-hop? That's it! Thanks, Posh! I thought I knew what they needed, but I needed a little help.
You did a great job, DJ. Now let's get this party started!
Angelic. No problem, ZB. I love building tech for my friends.
What is this heavenly beat I hear? You have got to DJ my fashion show.
Really? I'll do it.
Thank you, ZB. You saved the day with the power of music. You saved the day with the power of music. See? Wasn't that amazing? Let's watch it again.
Everybody loves Angel High, but I've got dance practice in 5 minutes.
I've got an idea. What if I DJ'd a fashion show?
Like in the show?
Yeah, just like in the show.
Sorry, DJ. We're not putting on a fashion show right now.
This might be harder than I thought.
I don't need any music for my magic act.
Oh, crumbs.
We've already got a jukebox here at the Twinkle Star, but if it ever breaks down, you'll be the first one I call.
How am I supposed to be just like ZB if no one needs my help?
Well, partner, that's a television show. Not everything works out as easily as it does on TV.
It doesn't?
Yeah, but that's okay. That's how we learn to be flexible. Sometimes when we're trying to make some perfect plan, we miss out on the good things we didn't see coming at all.
DJ, there you are! We just got a last-minute performance at Rainbowville Park, and we need you to DJ our dance show tonight.
Really?
See, what did I tell you?
It's no fashion show, but it's something.
It's better because it's our own thing, and I get to help my friends.
Thanks, Deej.
Would you say the line from the show for me?
You saved the day with the power of music.
I'm so excited. I love surprise birthday parties.
You all know what to do. When Missy shows up,
I turn on the fancy party lights.
Bonbon and I wheel out this giant cake.
I blast the music, and we shout,
Happy birthday,
Missy!
here she comes. Everybody hide.
Posh, where are you? I'm ready to go ice skating. Oh, beautiful. Whoa, delicious. Now. Happy birthday!
What happened? My speakers must have drained all the power from the lights. Whoops.
What are we going to do?
I'll take a look at the plug. I love solving a problem. Phew. Maybe this'll do the trick. Nothing. How am I gonna fix this? What's this? Happy birthday, Missy. Here's a little gift for my favorite problem solver. Love, your fairy godmother? Oh, Posh, I found something. I think this could help. Let's open it.
Epic golden eggs!
I have an idea. We can use these to sparkle up our party.
Great idea. Come on, everybody.
Hit it, DJ!
Thanks, Boo Boo Coins.
Hair accessories.
They're better than party hats. A giant sequin heart.
Wow, it looks so good.
And now we're ready to say
Happy birthday, Missy!
Thanks, everyone. But I wonder who my fairy godmother was.
Probably someone who knows you like to solve problems.
Aw, you're right. Best birthday gift ever. Designers in Rainbowville. Ooh, Dolly, what are you working on now?
This jewelry is music to my ears. Literally.
Yes.
I've got earrings too, but they need a little work.
I know you'll figure it out. Have you seen Glimmer?
She's been working all day in her secret lab. On her secret project.
I've done it! I've completed my secret project! Let me show you.
Whoa, I've never been in here before.
I have created something that will revolutionize the fashion industry. It's the Fashiontron 3000.
Whoa!
Wow.
This machine sparkalizes any accessory you put in it. Put this pink bow in the machine, and a sparkalizes bow.
Try Dolly's musical tiara.
Okay, but be careful. I worked really hard on this.
It'll be okay, I promise.
Uh-oh.
An astronaut helmet? That's totally different.
Just a little bug in the process. I'll put it back through.
What? A pineapple?
That's not even a hat.
And it's not even sparkly.
This may take a little while. No, no, no!
Maybe fashion design is better with a personal touch.
Now I'll never get everything done in time for Sparkle Fest.
It's okay. We work better as an Itzy Glitzy team. Who's with me? Go Glitzy! Rainbocorn's making back there. It smells really good.
I'm inspired, Bon Bon. I've got a great big idea for feeding everyone at Sparklefest. You've heard of cake. You've heard of cake pops. The next step is cake popsicles.
You've done it again, mate. That's why you're the chef and I'm the driver of Rainbowville's most fantastic food truck.
Delicious desserts.
Sounds flat.
I wasn't flat. I sang on pitch.
Not a flat note, a flat tire.
Our beautiful baby has a boo-boo.
Good thing I always carry a spare tire. Candy, is this a blender?
It's my spare blender, in case something happens to my main blender.
This is supposed to be for an extra tire, not a backup blender.
Oh, that's what that was for.
The cannonball!
We've got to think of some other bright idea. Missy is counting on us to make it to Sparklefest.
We can't give up. We can bake our way out of anything. After all, we're delicious desserts. I've got an idea. I'm gonna need a lot of flour. I present to you the delicious driving donut.
We're saved.
Do not forget the sprinkles.
Delicious dessert. Candy just texted back. On our way, donut powered. What does that mean? Just in time for the auditions. The dancers will be here any minute. Uh-oh.
And my signature dance move was taught to me by my dad, Prancer. It's the reindeer prance.
Hi, I'm Cecilia the Sealcorn from Malibu, California. And if there's one thing I know about, it's snuggles. Aw, adorable. But if there's two things I know about, it's snuggles and shuffles. My signature move is the Seal Shuffle.
And I'm Goldie the Snailcorn from Snailsburg, Michigan. And I may move slow, but I sure can slide. My signature move is the Snail Slide.
So who's it going to be, Missy?
Oh, I have to make a choice? Yes, it's all down to you. Choose the dancer for the stage show and send the other two home. Just a second. What do I do? Maybe I'll stare into this wishing well. That's what people do when they have to make a tough choice, right? Yeah, it's a tough call. Holy snugglebugs! You can talk? Oh, wishing wells always give great advice. I don't know what to do. I can only choose one dancer, but they are all so good. Maybe you aren't seeing all the options. You're right. I have other options. Thanks, wishing well. Nice kid. I wish her well. I'm back! I'm back!
That's great, because we've got something to show you.
We can all do our dance moves
Together! Prance, shuffle, slide. Prance, shuffle, slide. Side to side, go for a ride. Prance, shuffle, slide.
Wow, yes! You're all in the show.
Yay! It's time to open the gates to Sparkle Fest. Is everybody ready?
Yeah! We've got everything.